Hey everyone, welcome back to the Smart Bitcoin Investments channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a fantastic opportunity to earn passive income in the world of cryptocurrency. In this video, I'll show you how I've been making over $300 in Bitcoin every single month through the PayBis affiliate program. Stick around because I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. First things first, what exactly is the PayBis affiliate program? Well, it's a referral program offered by PayBis, a trusted cryptocurrency exchange platform. By becoming an affiliate, you can earn a commission every time someone you refer makes a transaction on their platform. Once registered, you'll have access to your affiliate dashboard. Now comes the fun part, promoting PayBis to earn those commissions. You can do this through various channels. One method that I've seen really work well is by simply promoting PayBis on channels like Twitter. That way, each person who clicks on your link and signs up for your offer becomes a user of the PayBis system and earns you a commission every single time they make a purchase on the PayBis exchange. This method can be repeated for many more messenger platforms like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok, Snapchat, and many other social platforms where people are looking for information on how to buy and or invest in Bitcoin, and you can be their provider. The next method that you can use to promote PayBis as an affiliate is by creating a YouTube channel where you can promote videos that you've created and directed directly to the YouTube platform, where people can subscribe to you and or find your videos where they can like, share, and subscribe. YouTube has billions of users and is popular all over the globe. All you have to do is create a video and share your message. YouTube is actually one of the world's largest search engines by volume, and if you include Google search, it's possible to maximize your reach to your potential target audience by ranking for organic keywords on both Google search and YouTube search. Which brings us to our third method, which is creating a website that promotes affiliate products, or even just a web page on an existing blog where you can promote the PayBis affiliate program. In order to build a website, you'll need two things, a domain name and a hosting partner. I personally recommend SiteGround because of their reliability, speed, and customer support. Using these tools, I built a website that teaches investors how they can invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for the long term. Currently, our website has over 10,000 readers a month, and we're growing by the day. Remember, the more creative and informative you are, the better your chances of success. Your affiliate dashboard is your best friend. It provides you with real-time data on clicks, signups, and commissions earned. This way you can track your progress and see what's working best for you. PayBis makes it easy to cash out your earnings. They offer multiple withdrawal options, including Bitcoin, PayPal, and more. You can choose the one that suits you best. And yes, I'll show you my earnings and the proof in just a moment. As you can see, I've been consistently earning over $300 in Bitcoin every month through the PayBis affiliate program. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income in the cryptocurrency world. So there you have it, how I make over $300 in BTC monthly with the PayBis affiliate program. If you're interested in signing up and starting your journey towards passive income, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Smart Bitcoin Investments for more cryptocurrency related content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with affiliate programs, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.